In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line break chart strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this demonstration. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live. Go ahead and click that Indicators button to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel opens, you'll notice a search box at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now start typing the name Line Break Chart Strategy. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and show you matching results in real time. Keep an eye on the list that appears under the search bar. You should see the line break chart strategy appear in the results as you finish typing. Make sure you are selecting the correct strategy and not a similarly named script by checking the title carefully. Once you see the line break chart strategy in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically add the strategy to your current chart. After adding it, you'll notice a few changes on your screen. The chart will now display entries and exits based on the line break logic, and a new panel will usually appear at the bottom, showing performance metrics like net profit, number of trades, and other backtest data. If you want to fine-tune how the strategy behaves, look at the top left of your chart where the strategy name appears. Click on the settings icon next to the name. This opens the inputs and style options, so you can adjust parameters such as box size, time frame, or other filters, depending on how the script is programmed. Take a moment to experiment with different settings and see how the strategy reacts to different symbols and timeframes. Remember that strategies are tools to assist your decision making, not guarantees of profit. It's always a good idea to test on historical data and understand the logic behind the entries and exits before using it in a live trading environment. Finally, if you want to unlock all the features and get the most out of indicators and strategies, including more server-side alerts and multiple chart layouts, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the description. That way, you can support the channel while accessing the full power of the platform, and that's all you need to do to add the line break chart strategy inside TradingView Pro.